Tomorrow I will take the test of chapter 6 plant tissues, and whoever scored below average will be read by ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Welcome in my class. Please have a seat, ma'am. Syllabus, yes ma'am, I had completed the syllabus a long time ago. Since a month we are revising all the topics and just I'm giving them tests, yeah. Right class?
अरे नहीं मैडम, 3 चैप्टर तो पढ़े हैं अभी।
Beta, you must be absent in those days, beta. I have completed the syllabus. Pihu beta, have I completed the syllabus? Yeah, right?
Yes, ma'am. All the syllabus is completed.
Yes, ma'am. See, ma'am. So whoever
Don't you ask questions in the class?
Yes, ma'am. I always do ask them questions. Let's do the question session now. Okay, class? Anushka, can you please tell me the functions of plasma membrane?
Ma'am.
You don't know?
No, ma'am.
It's okay. Actually, ma'am, I have been asking them questions which are way high their level because I'm just preparing them for higher classes. So that's why, ma'am. Okay, Anushka, can you please tell what is a cell?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you know this answer.
Ma'am, cell is called the fundamental unit of life.
Very good, very good. See, ma'am, my class is so intelligent. They know every line, every single line of NCERT. Oh, actually, the teacher is so good, na? So that's why the bache is also so good. Shalu,
Yes, ma'am.
pick up that paper.
Okay,
Pick up
ma'am.
that paper. See, ma'am, my class is very clean. They are so disciplined students, actually. Basics of previous class. Yes, ma'am. वो actually na, before starting the syllabus, I cleared all the basics of my students so that they don't face any problems with the upcoming chapters. So that's why all the basics are cleared of previous classes as well in the 9th class. Hitting? No, ma'am. Hitting is not allowed in my class. I never hit them. I never punishment. No slaps, no punishments. But I wish I could slap them right now because इन्होंने तो बिड़ा पारी कर रखा हुआ है. Okay, ma'am, you are leaving. Okay, ma'am, no problem. Please visit again in my class. It was so good to meet you. Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. अनुष्का, तेरे से प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन के फंक्शंस नहीं बताए गए? 10 बारी करवाया मैंने वो क्लास में. टफर कहीं की, एब्सेंट माइंडेड यू आर. और 3 चैप्टर रह गए हैं. वो कौन सा बच्चा था बोलने वाला? गुरताज तू था ना? जो मैं प्रिंसिपल मैम को बोलती हूँ वो ही नहीं बोला जा सकता तेरे से. 3 चैप्टर रह गए हैं, उसके पिछले वाला कंप्लीट है तू? चल कॉपी दे मुझे, कॉपी दे. 3 चैप्टर से पिछले वाला तो पेंडिंग काम है तेरा. बड़ा आया बोलने वाला. 3 चैप्टर रह गए मैम, 3 चैप्टर. You just get out of my class. पकड़ अपनी कॉपी. 5 मिनट के लिए प्रिंसिपल मैम हमारी क्लास में आई हैं. 5 मिनट के लिए भी नहीं डिसिप्लिन रह सकते तुम लोग, हैं? और इतनी बार समझा रखा है कि जब प्रिंसिपल मैम क्लास में आए, स्पीक ओनली इंग्लिश, नो पंजाबी, नो हिंदी. और अनुष्का से फंक्शंस भी नहीं बताए गए. क्या सोचेंगे प्रिंसिपल मैम कि मुझे पढ़ाना नहीं आता? और 5 मिनट के लिए मुंह चुप नहीं रह सकता तुम्हारा? शुक्र है खेड़ा छूटा क्लास से. हैव अ नाइस डे.